video.
I don't know, is it? You always sound stupid. Oh! I mean, you're literally lowering your voice right now.
I know this is going to be in the video, just that line itself is going to be in the video.
I don't
Nothing
know
else
what you're
prior.
talking about. I was gonna cut this out, but since you gave me such a wonderful idea. I don't know if it's raining where you are, but
It's raining somewhere else.
I'm gonna kill you.
Hey, comment down below if you got this. I swear, if someone comments, I will sell you my kidney. I didn't know what this video is about. I was just told we're collabing, so.
We're not collabing. You just happen to be an extra who gets a few lines in my video.
Okay, yeah, few. I'll make sure it's just a few.
You're gonna talk so much.
Of course, that's kind of the joke. Good job. She gets the joke, everyone. That's all I know. Those are the 2 words in makeup I know. Foundation, wings, in one color, ivory.
Ivory?
You actually start the video now.
I'm trying, okay? Life isn't easy.
Are you sure about that? Welcome to your YouTube channel. I did it. I did it. I did it. I did it.
Hi everyone, can we just get to 5 million likes? I'm gonna ask before the video even starts. Smash that like button in the face.
But now you need to add the Allier intro. Is this channel PC?
This channel is the PCest of the PCs.
Because I don't watch your videos.
Yes, you do.
I actually don't, unless it's a cover.
Really?
So the clicking in the background is my controller. I am not playing Fortnite. You should be happy.
Today, I have decided to hop on the trend train and do I tried following a Blank Tutorials video. Today, I decided I'm going to do stage makeup from the Phantom of the Opera, which is also special effects makeup, kind of. It's gonna be cool. It's gonna be lit. It's gonna be great.
Is it gonna be lit, Sam? I have a question. Are we welcomed to your YouTube channel?
Everyone except for you is welcome to my YouTube channel. The person who did this makeup tutorial, I don't know how to edit, so I won't be putting his video in the side here like most people do it.
I feel like we're under matriarchy. For a second, let me, unanger the YouTube gods. Trump is horrible, no one likes him, he's a child-hating bigot.
The person who did this video and the video itself is going to be at the very end of this video, because I don't know how to put it here. It'll be in the description. Everything that you need to know. His name is Pink Stylist, and he is incredible at makeup. He is insanely good. So, today, I'm going to try and follow his tutorial on how to do Phantom of the Opera makeup.
I literally said that on purpose, just to interrupt you. Hi, I'm here. My name's Stuart. I've probably been introduced 3 times now, but she's cutting out so much, I don't know which introduction she's going to want to use.
0%. You don't get an introduction.
I'm in the lit fam, ain't that right? Fam?
No, you only watch my covers.
Yep, that's the only good content on your channel.
I have 1 subscriber. Her name is Kira. Shout out to you. She comments on every single one of my videos. She's wonderful, and you will never match up to her greatness.
Cool, good for Kira.
Good for her.
She's probably a bot. Kira, if you're not a bot, comment down below.
Watch her not comment anything on this video.
Trump's not Hitler.
I've heard that.
What?
You can't talk about politics. Entertain them.
Okay, entertainment other than politics. The Odd Ones Out is a cool channel. You shouldn't be watching this. Go watch one of his videos. Are better quality. Gaiden Animations, also better. Tim Tom?
You can stop talking now. I'm giving you permission to
You're
stop
gonna make a
talking.
diss
I will mute you.
That'll make me do your makeup tutorial thingamajigger now?
Yes, I am. Stop. You're harassing me on the internet, and it's not okay. Just saying. The first thing I'm gonna do is apply liquid latex. I'm gonna block you.
Hey, remember when we wanted to do a channel called Platonically?
Yes.
That was funny.
That was never gonna happen. I'm not putting that in.
Please do.
No.
Please put it in. Put this in, explaining that she kept
know, does not taste great.
No, what does taste great is Tide Pods, so definitely eat up.
Dead meme. Dead meme. January meme. Okay, I did a video called I Kind of Hated the Greatest Showman, and the like-dislike ratio on that is insanely bad.
How many dislikes did you get? Like 15?
I don't Do you think I
Probably more
have
than you've
15
ever
people watching my videos that are willing to like or dislike him?
I thought you would have more, and I was making that as like a pity joke.
Thanks, Stuart.
You can tell I'm a little bit salty that a certain YouTube collab channel between me and this other person didn't happen.
It was never gonna happen.
It was.
It was, but it's not anymore, okay? Stuart, let it die in peace. I'm getting liquid latex all over me. That's fine and dandy.
What are you supposed to look like by the end of this? I've never seen.
I will
either.
send you a photo of what I'm going for. It's inspired by this dude. Today's look, we're going to be doing a wonderful evening formal look. If you want to go out on a night on the town, you know.
You know, your channel's just like Jackson's. It's all about makeup tutorials. You are shooken.
I'm shooken.
Anime.
Stuart, look it! Stuart, look it! No!
Your video is just gonna be like, because of the cuts that you're gonna shoot.
Yes, exactly.
Shown by the fact that you have static.
Are you dragging me?
But I really hope
Stuart, you know that really hurts my feelings, right? I've never had a 10-minute video, I don't think. Like, in reality, I don't think that I've ever had one. In Doki Doki Your Reality, I don't think I've ever had one.
But why would you do that with makeup?
I'm a makeup legend. Okay. And here goes on the first layer of, they're not prosthetics. They're just a bunch of layers of latex and, tissue. Stuart, I look like a snack right now. There are points in time where I don't look like a snack? Is that what you're implying right now?
I am exactly implying that because I am honest. So much stuff for editing Lydia to do.
So much. How you doing, editing, Lydia? Probably not doing great right now while I'm editing this. Stuart, ask me what my favorite song from Phantom of the Opera is.
What's your favorite song from Phantom of the Opera? Oh boy.
It's Notes/Prima Donna for your information.
Do 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 do.
Do,
Do 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 do.
What
Hello
this says.
everybody, and welcome to my laboratory, where safety is #1 priority.
I used to love him. This kind of burns.
You know what burns? The hole in my heart.
Oh.
Mettaton-shaped hole in my Mettaton-shaped heart. I don't have skills, so mine would be okay.
Stop talking down to yourself. You're always telling me, Lydia, stop talking down to yourself. Oh my god, Lydia, you shouldn't do that.
Yeah, it's because I'm a good friend. That doesn't mean
It's because you're a hypocrite. Oh, there's a heart on my head now. Skills. What a legend. If I ever get famous on the internet, there's gonna be compilations that are entitled, like, Lydia saying Stuart for 10 minutes. A snack. Who's a snack, you ask? Take a wild guess. My friend may be gone, but I am still here and I am still strong. I am my best friend and I will... That's not my shade at all. You know, this is really sad now because Stuart is probably like 10 times more funny than I am. So you poor innocent viewers are gonna have to spend the rest of the video thinking about how unfunny I am. I've never actually read the book. I know, fake fan. Oh boy. Whoa, wait, that actually looks cool. I've never looked cooler in my entire life. Guys, this is just a natural everyday makeup look.
Did you have your puppy locked out? Oh my.
I'm here, the Phantom of the Opera.
Pretty gross.
Mama, are you saying that I don't look beautiful? I look like the Phantom, don't I?
Except that you look like a girl.
Your face looks like a girl. Hey there.
What? Is he? She's here.
Oh my god. Oh my goodness gracious, I look like a snack. This lighting makes me look 10 times better than I actually do, even with the Phantom makeup. Phantom looks a little bit like Alice Cooper, don't you think? Also, what is the Phantom? Like, honestly, what is he? In the musical, I don't know about the book or in the movie or any of that kind of stuff, but in the musical, he did some weird stuff. Like, he's not just a normal human being. Like, there's gotta be something up with him. Oh, that's so cool. That's supposed to be like a skull. Is it obvious that that's supposed to be like a skull? I look awesome. If anyone's looking for a everyday makeup tutorial, I am happy to give you one. This is actually the side of my face that I like less. Let's put some highlight on the bridge of the nose so that we can be sister snatched. Okay, in real life, I look beat, but on camera and from kind of far away, I look like so good. Let me just let my hair down. Yeah. Yeah, buddy. Oh, hey, she's kind of cute. Hey, you, look over here. What was that? I'm gonna have to wash my face with, like, a power washer after this. Maybe I can go out into town and see if I can get any boys looking like this, because I'm sure that they will all be running after me as soon as I show my face in that place. Okay, thank you all so much for watching. I love you all so much.